What's up, guys? So today we're going to be playing medieval games.
Medieval Kingdom, you mean? On Roblox.
Okay, I'm on Roblox.
Yes, Irish. You don't have to pronounce that.
What?
You don't have to pronounce medieval.
Medieval.
Yeah, you said it wrong in the intro.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, who shall we vote? Shall we vote for him?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna vote. No, he's got no votes. No, because people are not voting for him. Poker trainer, you must love poker. It's our king! I just realised our king is here. King! Oh, worship the king. King, obey king. I must protect the king. But you look more like a king, because you got armour. Where do you even get armour?
I don't know. There must be a shop. There must be an armor shop.
Yeah, there is a potion shop. And there is an archery shop. And there is a melee shop.
But there's archery. I need to buy the archery.
Okay, follow me.
I just need to get the swords. The best. Oh, Miguel, I can see the armor.
Stop calling me Miguel.
I mean Dan.
Dan, can you collect that armor?
Oh no, you can't collect it. Where are you?
I'm right in the shop that you are in.
Okay. I just need to buy a new sword quickly. 450. It's not 300.
Yeah, your next sword is 350. And how much? Yeah, you got more.
45. Now I was waiting until
You got 400.
yes. 400.
Okay, just sell all your wood. Have you sold
I
it?
haven't got any wood yet.
So, haven't you been mining before we started recording?
Yeah.
Wait, how come one of our people died here? So, don't you sell your wood?
Yeah,
I'm gonna try and find the armory. Armory. Or you just... Where'd you find armor?
Guys, if you played this game before and you know what the armor is,
And all of that stuff.
yeah.
Please comment down below to help us. Grr. Is it in... No, I can't go in there. Is it in the blacksmith here? No, I don't think so. Melee weapons, ranged weapons. That's it. I can't get none of that. Or forger. About you? I don't have stone. Can you tell us where you find stone and iron and stuff like that?
Put in the
Comment section down below
no,
again.
not this Miguel. I mean Dan.
Dan. What do you mean? We're not live streaming.
I know.
So, oh, you're just telling people in the game. Maybe, yeah, good idea. Nobody will know where I am. But shouldn't I be burning? I should be burning. Oh well. Grr. I'm gonna go get some wood. To Axe Town. Axe. Gone.
Oh, there's somebody coming.
There's a nomad. Stop calling me Miguel. I'm opening a chest. The nomad's killing us. But no, we won't for long.
It's 3 against 1 Dan.
Yeah. We killed. Oh, there's another nomad. He's good. He's a good nomad. I need to see this.
Go, we still haven't killed him. He's trying to run away.
Yeah, run away, you nomads.
Try your hardest.
But we are too good. We will save our king from you guys. You evil people. I'm just gonna chop down this tree.
Nobody's helping me.
Oh, go away. He's gonna kill you.
I know.
He won't. Yeah, he won't.
Oh.
You know you got health potion.
Do I?
Yeah, look. If you do it on the side. Yeah, look. You can check which one you can use.
This tree is already wood.
Okay. I got some more wood. I think the stronger... we shouldn't attack, yes, says our king. I think, is he our king? No, he isn't.
Should we go and attack Dan?
No! Because someone said who's elderlier than us. We're just noobs at this game.
No, not really.
Yeah, we couldn't get to kill, but we're noob. Wait, maybe, do you think we level up to get armor? That would make sense.
Now, how do you level up anyway?
killing people.
Okay. I'm going to try and kill more people.
Get some blood.
Blood.
Blood. How much left do I have in my inventory?
Blah blah blah.
Weapons.
Oh, and guys, one day I'm going to be doing what's it called? A Fortnite video.
Yeah, one day.
Maybe
I'll do one.
Yeah, maybe.
He might do one on Xbox. I might do one on my computer.
Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. I might do a Fortnite video. I'm not sure yet.
Bam. Chopping down them trees. Chopping down them trees. Them trees. Chop, 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 and chop. And chop.
Hey,
Redcliffe has got the mid. Oh, there's a core blocks over here. I'm gonna chop him down. Yeah, he's a new core blocks. He's a new one. He got a worse sword than me. New core blocks here.
Does it matter what sword you have?
Yeah, so because the sword, the more powerful the sword, the more better. Oh, he's trying to heal. Oh well, I kind of healed.
Hey,
He's trying to run away.
where is he?
I'm too fast for him.
Oh, there's
Overseer will always be.
Oh look, there's a grave. When I kill the guy, there's a grave.
Yeah, no, grave pops up. Maybe you can mine stuff from the grave. Wait for his grave to
I'm going to try. No, you can't mine a grave.
Let me check.
You can't mine a grave, Dan.
Yes, you can. No, you can't, Cyrus.
And you're supposed to use the pickaxe, Dan.
I am using pickaxe.
I mean axe.
Axes are for trees. And pickaxes are for... Yes, and I was using a pickaxe. Okay.
Yeah.
What am I about my kingdom? Okay.
Oh, I'm so near to 450.
We got team. I killed 27 enemies.
How do you know how many enemies?
Don't you know where your kingdom is? Yeah, kingdom. Then you can check. I've got 27 enemies. Oh no! I think it means all of us. Is there any codes? I need a code.
4.
I don't know. I'm just going to try and outpost at Redcliffe. I bet you.
Dan. Wait for me.
Cyrus, I'm not waiting for you.
Okay.
Ah, there's people there.
Mm.
There's Redcliffe. He's here. I'm gonna kill this Redcliffe guy first.
Sure?
I hope he's not a noob. Yeah. I hope he's a noob. I mean. Okay, he's a noob. Yeah, I've got better than him. I'm chopping him. Chop. Okay, I'm actually going to die.
I went to a different base.
That's the same one.
Okay.
Yeah. I just need to regen. What? How am I still taking damage? No, how did I die?
Run!
No man's there. Where? So we're gonna try and stay at mid so we can level up, right? Do you want to level up? I wanna level up. Do you wanna level up?
I wish you could.
Oh, there's a Redcliffe over here fighting this overseer, our teammate. Die hard. Yeah, this is the guy I killed. I remember. Or was it in your mind I killed? It was a claw box I killed. Who was?
Don't try and kill me, homie. Don't try and go to your base, homie. Don't.
Is that you? Yeah, that's you.
Don't try and go to your base, homie.
That's you. You're the one behind me. Oh, let's go inside. Yeah, this is not their base. Oh, there's their king. Their king.
Where? I can see their king. I'm going to try and go and kill him.
Don't kill their king. It's too powerful. He's got a hammer, Jojo. I mean, Cyrus. No, I'm doing it. I'm doing it with my best friend. Oh, this guy's got an axe.
I killed the king.
You killed the king.
Hey, I killed the king.
You must be promoted to the king now. You must die too. Of your naughtiness. You don't use an axe. I mean, a bow.
Run! No.
You killed the king.
Yeah.
Now I'm taking damage from somewhere. Oh, it's you. No, I'm about to die.
No. Are you doing it first person?
Can you help me? Help me, Cyrus.
Okay, I'm coming.
I died because you weren't there. Okay. what we're going to do then.
Meet me at our base, okay?
Okay. Right, there's this dude.
Where?
Is I think it's overseer. Yeah, it's an overseer dude.
How long
That's you.
do you?
Sit here.
What? Nobody's chopping this.
Oh no, you have to sell all your wood. You got no inventory space. Oh, okay.
How much wood?
No man, I am no man.
How
no
much
man.
wood do I have then?
Maybe enough to fill your inventory.
Maybe enough to buy the next sword.
True. Oh no.
Nobody's never come for our base for some reason.
Haha. I leveled up.
Yeah.
I got a private something. And I'm dying to this dude. I'm dying to this no man now.
Oh, Miguel! Dan!
Dan.
One more wood, Miguel. I mean, Dan.
Stop calling me Miguel. One more piece of wood. So just chop down one tree.
Guys, make sure
to like and subscribe. It won't let me teleport.
We're trying to hit 20 subscribers to do face cam.
20 subscribers.
That's all we're asking you for. So then you can see our face.
But I don't know. Oh, wait. Why do I have shift lock on? Gosh, I don't need shift lock. It puts shift lock on. I don't like shift lock. I don't like shift lock. There we go, that's better. Okay, so shall we end it here, Cyrus? I think we should. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe.